Japa Rico here. Thanks for watching. We're going to do a live update on the positions that we opened during the past few weeks. So let's get started. I have here my Think or Swim platform. It's a platform that runs on the TD Ameritrade broker in the US. The first position that I have here, let's go to check what is going on with NEO. Okay, so let me open my Google Chrome, NEO. Okay, for those who don't know, NEO, it's a competitor of Tesla. It's a manufacturer of EV, electric vehicles. Its main market is in China, but it's also expanding it to Europe, the US, and other parts of the globe. What happened to NEO last time was that we opened a position at around, if I'm not mistaken, it was around 47. Let me check it again. So going back to Think or Swim, and if I go here to NEO, so yeah, it was 47.01. That was our entry price. Right now the price closed on Friday at 46.96, and so far we are losing 50 cents. Yeah, so 50 cents per position. Let me take a look at the chart. So guys, the main reason you opened the position here was because, let me show you the analysis using PVS array. So if you look at the PVS array volume, we have a good, it's a notable accumulation with this green candle right above the 100 EMA. So the 100 EMA is this dotted blue line. So as you can see here, 100 EMA. So we expect the price will bounce back up from this support. Okay, so we expect the price will do something like this. If it doesn't, then you'll probably reach our stop loss. So if it does something like this, you'll probably reach our stop loss, because our stop loss is set in, let me see. So we set our stop loss to, okay, $40.77. Okay, so we are using a technique called scale out. We basically open two positions. We actually you can open one position. So if one position, you, let's say you put like 10 contracts, what happens is that when you close it, you can do two OCOs. Okay, so one cancels the other. You do two OCOs, one with 5 positions and another one with another 5 positions. So in total will be 10 positions. So that's exactly what I did here. I have an OCO pair here, so -5, -5. The total amount when I opened was 10 contracts, so I have 5 contracts to be closed as an OCO pair, and another 5 contracts to be closed as another OCO pair. Why? Because the stop loss, as you can see, is the same, but the take profits are different. So I have my first take profit to 51.17, and the second take profit I set to 55.33. Okay, so that's how we work, having two targets. So TP1, take profit 1, and TP2, take profit 2. Okay, so let me take a look once again the chart. So the worst case that's going to happen is that probably if price doesn't go the way I want, it will go down and then it's going to reach here. So once it reaches the 200 EMA, we have to think about it again, in case it goes against our direction. In case it goes in favor of our direction, we are going to look at close the trade at 1 ATR and then 2 ATRs, which are the targets that I just talked about. Okay. Since the position is set to stop loss at 40 point something, so around here, we'll stop us around here. Okay. Let me see if we have any questions. If we don't have any questions, we'll keep going. Uh, okay, so I came back. Week of Johnny De Paula, great day. Okay, so I have a few comments here. Tesla, I love. Wickers, thanks for watching, Wickers. Johnny De Paula, great day for you too. Japa and Camille. Camille is not participating. She's not going to talk on the live, but she's participating in the chat room. She's been going to, she told me that she was going to, let me see. So she said, oh, okay, she went to learn ski over the weekend, so she's very tired. So she's not going to show up today, but hopefully she will show up tomorrow, next week. What else? Wake up, I have shares on Tesla stocks too. Okay, so Wake Up said he has shares on Tesla stocks. As I said last week, what NIO is doing these past few days is similar to what Tesla is doing. So let's take a look at what Tesla is doing. So if I change my chart to Tesla, TSLA, and then we are going to have, it's more or less the same. So if you see, let me take a look. Let me put them side to side so that you can see what's going on. So if you see what's going on with, oops. If you see what's going on with Tesla, you see that is actually similar to what's going on with NIO. So if I have, okay, and then here I'll change to NIO. So guys, if you do this side to side and compare these two guys, you're going to see something like this. So you're going to see something like this. And then you're going to see that is more or less, is actually very similar what's going on in the past few days. So this is, yeah, see guys, if you can see, there is a huge rally going on with Tesla, and then a correction to the 100 EMA. And what's going on with NIO is more or less the same thing. You have a rally that's going on for longer, okay, maybe longer than the Tesla one, but you have this rally that's going on for a long time, and then you have a correction back to the 100 EMA, and then probably you will have another zag. So it's a zigzag pattern, so zig, zag, another zig. And then here as well, you have a zig, zag, and probably another zig. So what happens with these two companies is that for the past few, not even days, I would say, for the past few months, is they're moving more or less in the same kind of trend, I would say. And as you can see, the highest, from the highest time here, okay, and this took place January the 25th this year. And then this one took place January 11th, 2021. So yeah, so only like, only 14, yeah, 14 days of difference, yeah. And then if you exclude the weekends, then it will be even less. So they're moving more or less following the same pattern, I would say, okay. Let's go back. Let's see if we have any questions from our followers. Let me put the, okay, I just put the music back on. Can you guys, okay, better, right? So let's see. Oh, wake up, said good morning to everyone. Camille's there too. Hi guys. Camille saying hi guys. Hi Camille. Okay. Okay, Johnny De Paula. Sorry, Japa, but the vast majority of lights in the secondary channel are really better than so I got you to see multiple. Yeah, you're right. Okay, no problem. I want to see community. Okay. Alright, so now we talk about let's take a look at other stuff that okay, maybe the sound is like this is better for you guys to hear. And we got back to here, guys, so let's take a look at Twinkle Steam again. Nuts. Okay, this is a new Steam. For those of you who don't know, new Steam is a cosmetics brand. They operate in the multi-level marketing kind of industry. That's how they operate. And we opened a position, if I'm not mistaken, we opened this position last week. And we have how many contracts? We have 10 contracts. So if you go back here, let's get rid of this. Okay, and then let's okay, cover the entire window, and then here we go to New Skin. New Skin Enterprises. Very confident that this trade is going to go very well because first of all, it's not the 100 EMA, it's the 200 EMA. And a lot of people, a lot of big firms, even hedge funds, even bigger firms, they look at the 200 EMA. So not only for retail investors, also the big players, they look at the 200 EMA. And we are having right now a huge accumulation at these, exactly at this area around the 200 and 233 EMA, right? So this has a lot of possibility to appreciate again after this point. A lot of people ask me, Japa, how come this stock from here went all the way down to here? And if you guys look at the fundamentals, you guys will see that there is a CEO just retired. We are going to replace him and working new one. He's taking the company, if I'm not mistaken, for 37 years, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, he's been there for a long, for many years. Okay, so he's been there for many years. And so they're going to replace him. I think they already have a replacement for him. And after this was announced, New Skin's stocks went down a lot. But I think I'm very confident this is going to catch up soon. And this stock is going to continue on the bullish trend. Okay? Especially because in PVS area, if you analyze it in PVS area, you're going to see that. Let me just put the music back on. So if you analyze on PVS area, you're going to see this huge accumulation, continuation of this accumulation of volume, and the volume is notable with different colors. Usually when that happens, and we are on a bullish trend, after a correction, if this happens right after the correction, that means that the pattern is going to continue on the same side, which in this case is a bullish trend. Okay? Let's see if we have any questions from our followers. If not, we are going to continue. Oh, Wickup said, my name is Michael. Okay? So nice to meet you. I didn't know your name was Michael, but nice to meet you, Michael, from Brazil. Okay, so once we take a look, so far we've seen what happened to Neil, we've seen what happened to New Skin, and let's continue our analysis. Let's go back to Thinkorswim, the Thinkorswim platform. The next one that we have position open on is CRSR, Corsair. So let's take a look at it. CRSR. And guys, Corsair, I also said to you guys that there was this rejection from the 100. Is this the 100 EMA? Yeah, so there was this rejection from the 100 EMA, and I said probably we are going to continue on a bullish trend after that. Let's see what's going to happen this week. If I'm mistaken, don't need to worry because everything is already set. So the stop loss to 1.5 ATR, and the first take profit to 200 ATR, the second profit to price 2 times ATR. So 1 time ATR for the first profit, take profit, and 2 times ATR for the second take profit. Here, I'm not that confident to be honest because we didn't have a huge accumulation with notable volume on the volume bar. Except for the fact that we had a huge rejection. So once again, a huge rejection here that you can see. So the shadow of the candlestick is very long, and it was a rejection from the 100 EMA. So that probably means something for us. I hope so. I hope it goes after this correction goes in our direction. So it is probably good. If I'm not mistaken, it's going to stop at 1.5 API, which is our stop loss, which was configured to 41.47. That's our stop loss for both positions, right? So I have, yeah, so I have here my stop loss. Oh, sorry. The stop loss is the 32.25, okay? So 32.25, and the second stop loss for the second position also set at 32.25. Okay, so that was the update, guys. That was the update for this week. Probably we have some new positions that we are going to open tonight. If well, I have to take a look once again at the markets once the market opens. There are many companies that I've been looking at. One of them is GME. I know that you'll be thinking about this crazy. Like GME, of course, that's not the moment that I've seen the last bullish. Okay, so it was a bullish trend, like a rally and a correction and another rally, and then the rally of course was much smaller. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's take a look. Yeah, let's take a look once again at GME. If we see GME, so we're going to see, we saw this artificial rally because it was because of the Wall Street crash that looked at the post on Reddit. So because of that group, we have a huge rally here and then a correction back to just below the dragon, the 50 EMA, another rally which was much smaller, and then we are here on a correction once again. So probably what I want to see, which I didn't see last time, was a correction all the way back to the 200 EMA, which didn't happen. Okay? So once we have this correction back to the 200 EMA, which is probably going to take a few more days or weeks, we don't know. At least I would say at least a few more weeks, and then we get this correction back to the 200 EMA. Then we're going to see track the volume once again and see what is more likely to happen. I wouldn't enter GME right now. I made some money shorting the GME a few weeks ago. As you guys know, I sent my people here, my team of traders. I sent my group on Telegram, Japa Rico group, and our inner circle with our group of traders on WhatsApp. So what's more likely to happen, guys, after what happened last week is that we are going to continue on this correction all the way down to the 200 EMA. Okay? So, once again, so we are going to have this correction going all the way down to 200 EMA. And after that, we have to check once again what's going to happen, what's happening with the price, what's happening in terms of the market, if there is any fundamentals involved, because this was the first huge rally was basically driven because of gossip, I would say. Let's put it this way. Like, okay, not gossip, but was driven by Tech Rip Wall Street ads on Reddit, so we know that. We know the first Reddit was reading because of that, and then the second Reddit was what happened with Reddit itself, and after what happened to Reddit itself, now we're experiencing this correction. Let's see. Let's see what's going to happen with GMB. It's not my favorite stuff. Just talking about GMB, because a lot of people ask me, a lot of people want to know what's going on with GMB. Japa, say your opinion. And that's why I did it. Alright guys, so if there is no question, I'm going to finish this live event on YouTube in English, and I'm going to switch to my Portuguese channel, and we can catch up there once again. Okay? So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my Portuguese channel.